Okay, so we are making a cake in the microwave. So let's see what we're gonna have.
It's in cup.
Yes, sir. Does it taste good?
Now we need the musician to be singing.
People call me like a sugar daddy.
Oh,
Let's see.
see a musician.
When you are singing with Davido.
Okay, I need to try. God. African yeast.
African yeast.
No.
A lie,
We
baby.
should take more.
I think 1 minute didn't last.
2 minutes.
Okay, we need this.
Ah,
No, anyone. You just want to see cake.
We see cake.
No matter how long it takes. You know, I always smoke shisha only when you're around.
What?
I usually smoke shisha.
when you're around.
Only
Understand.
when you're around. And now you're going so
Коли ти типа з ним, то він тільки тоді курить кальян. Достав на кури.
Seriously?
Yes, no.
Castro.
Most of the time, you just smoke. Only when you're there.
Chai.
That's true. Dima, why is it that like when Ukrainian girls are talking, right? Like you said that they'll say seriously, really, like
Seriously?
really.
Серйозно?
Zima. Zima. My outfit.
I swear.
People tell me I just like my daddy.
Not yet.
Not yet. The thing is not working.
Yeah, it's done.
I thought you come out like this.
Yeah,
No,
The
no.
cup is too big. The cup is big.
Small cup. So
So
that
it's okay like this.
Yeah.
Give me the.
A plate.
Sugar, what are you doing?
It's a double.
it's soft. It's too soft.
Now wow.
Wow.
Now wow.
Dima, what's the name of your YouTube channel?
The name is Dima Muratov.
Dima Tamlian.
I've actually started like 2 years ago even.
But how
When
like-
even Eric was still in
How
Ukraine.
many
Zima,
subscribers?
like,
5. 5 subscribers. It's my cousin Totowski, my girlfriend, me, and I think my mother.
No, Capers don't be bad.
People tell me I'm just like my
Let me take
dad.
your YouTube, man.
Yeah, check me.
do you know that day? Have you had the day?